Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. In today's video, we're going to be going through a few of the new features in Excel. If this is your first time on my channel, please remember to like and subscribe. One is the navigation feature in Excel. Let's say you have a lot of tabs that you're working with in your workbook, and sometimes it can be very difficult to find different tabs. All you have to do is to go to View and click Navigation. And this is going to bring all the sheets in your workbook. Let's say I want to go to the sales out. I'm going to click it here. Now I'm on this tab. And one nice thing about this is it's very dynamic. Let's say I click a new one and I have this new sheet. I'm going to drag this. Sheets 10. Now I have sheets 10 here. Do you know in your workplace, somebody might send you an image or like a screenshot and you need to be able to get the data into Excel? Well, with this new feature, you are able to bring in those data from an image into Excel. Now, let's see how we can load this picture to get the data into Excel. What we have to do is to go to Data and say From Picture. And now we have Picture from File. So you just need to navigate to where you have the picture stored on your computer. I'm going to click Insert. Now it's doing its thing. I'm going to say Insert Data. Insert anyway. Now I have the data here right in Excel. We have another option for this. Let's say the image is this one. I can right click and click Copy. Now since it's been copied to my clipboard, I can go back to the same place and say Picture from Clipboard. Make sure you clicked on a different cell, and I'm going to go back to Picture from Clipboard. Now it's going to do the same thing. I'm going to click Insert Data, Insert Anyway. Now we have the same information. Many times you forget where things are in Excel. Let's say for this quantity field, I'm trying to do a conditional formatting and I don't remember where conditional formatting is in the tabs. All I have to do is to right click and go to search the menu, and I can click here and say conditional. As I type, Excel will bring me all the different things that is related based on my search condition. And now I can say, okay, search whatever I'm trying to do with this conditional formatting. You may want to combine different lists from different places into one list. With this new feature called To Call, it's a function in Excel that can help you with this. Let's combine the list of sales reps from different regions into one list. What we have to do is just to say equals, we say To Call, and now it's asking for an array. I just have to highlight all the cells that contain the data. Now I'm going to close the parentheses and hit enter. Now I have a list in just few clicks of all the sales reps. Now to the fun part. This is my favorite. You can bring in Wikipedia right into your Excel. You can search for anything and bring it right in. How do we do that? Make sure you're on the Home tab and go to Add-ins and go to Get Add-ins. This is going to give you a list of all the add-ins. Right here I can see Wikipedia. If you don't see it, you can use the search bar. I'm going to click Add and Continue. And now you can see that Wikipedia has been added. Right here, it's trying to look for this Luis Diaz because I have that highlighted. Let me remove this and search for what is the population in Italy. What is the population in Italy? And I'm going to search for that. Now it's going to give me the different option based on what I have searched. I can expand this so that I can see it. Right here, I'm going to click. If you scroll all the way down, you can find more things. But for now, I'm going to click Italy. And now it's going to give me different sections. Like it's going to give me the sections. If I go back to overview, I'm going to have an overview of the of Italy. Now here, if I say it says there's a population, Italy has a population with nearly 60 million. Let's say I'm interested in this, the sentence. I'm going to come here. And now I can highlight this and click Add. Now it's going to show me what I have highlighted. I don't want the source, so I can get rid of the source. I just want the number. So I'm going to get rid of everything else and add the 60 million. That's not all. Let's say I was interested in some images. I can go here to the Images tab and I can see this, this map. If I was interested, I just have to drag and drop right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. If you do, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.